What's up, guys? Sorry if I sound really sick because I am. I'm editing this vlog and I realized that I just started vlogging and didn't ever make a hey, what's up? My name is Miranda. None of that. And I guess I never really thought about it because I've never done this before. So I guess I'm doing my intro well after I filmed all of this. But what's up? I'm Miranda and this is my vlog on how I picked up and moved to the Disney College program across the US all the way to California. I really wanted to get this vlog up way earlier, like as soon as I moved here, because I didn't really vlog much after I moved here, because as soon as I moved in, the next days I was extremely busy with traditions, orientation, training, straight to work. And yeah, I never had much time off, and the time that I did, we were all so exhausted that we just needed to rest, because the next day we had to wake up bright and early to go to work. So yeah, I'm really sorry. Please don't think that I'm not about this, because I'm about this YouTube life, okay? Stay tuned because I have so much vlog ideas. Definitely more vlogs about like the college program in general, tips and tricks, how I applied, the whole process, interview and whatnot, and traditions and how that's like. And yeah, I do want to vlog more. I am vlogging tomorrow actually, because it's the first day that me and my two roommates are off, and we're going to LA for some type of venture, but I don't really know what we're doing yet. But I guess you're gonna see because I'm vlogging it. And yeah, stay tuned for that. Thank you guys so much for clicking on this video. I hope it doesn't disappoint. I can't wait for you guys to see. This is the last couple of weeks of me getting ready to move, last couple of weeks of me going on adventures. Back at home in South Florida, I had to leave, hanging out with some friends, and the whole entire move, I guess. Yeah, unfortunately I didn't really vlog much after I moved in or checked in because it was just really busy. Yeah, it's been crazy, but yeah, keep on watching. Please like and subscribe because that would mean the world to me. Check out my social medias and I hope you guys like it. So yeah, without further ado, let's do the must-dos and let's roll that film.
So it's recording now?
Yeah.
Okay. This is the last
The last
day.
hurrah.
Was it January what?
January 11th. It's 111. It's a very special day today.
And she's out. Just like that. Just like that, guys. Just like that. Yeah. So I'm gonna have to give me one of these.
I know.
Is that good right there? Whoa. Damn, bro, this is ridiculous. This is it.
It's pretty clean.
All right, we see you later, okay?
Nope, because I think Dad.
This is it. I'm so sad. It still hasn't hit me yet, so maybe that's why I'm not crying, but this is Trippin. It's freaking cold. I'm pretty sure I made it to heaven.
I didn't sign up for this.
It's cold and it smells like marijuana. You. What's up? On a scale of 1 to 10, how cold are you?
6.
I'm a good 8.9799. This is amazing. I'm never leaving. I'm never leaving. This is my first day here and I'm already figuring out how to like afford rent after the program. Send me ideas.
And I would cry every time she left.
Right when I got kicked out. Like, gave a shit.
We asked you to come stay with me on this side. You said
Let's
no.
not get there. No, you did not.
What time is it? Check-in time.
No, you did not.
Okay, so since I didn't vlog anything today because it was pretty busy, I feel like I could just give everyone a rundown of how it went. I checked in at 10 o'clock today. You basically just get your keys and that's it, take your picture. Then we went to my apartment and I was the second one there and I got the top bunk, which I wanted, so happy about that. And then I met all my roommates, they seemed pretty chill. And yeah, and then we basically went to Walmart, Target, Marshalls, did all that, got all my stuff. Then came back, got settled in. Then I had a meeting at 5 o'clock across the street at the packing house. And we basically just went over rules and what not to do, what to do. And yeah, not really that bad. And now I just got back, put on my pajamas. And yeah, I think I'm gonna finish organizing everything and probably start editing this vlog. So tomorrow I have traditions at 10. Then I have another thing at like 2. Then another thing at like 5. I don't think I can vlog that, but I'll definitely be able to tell you about it. So stay tuned for that. And if you made it this far without getting annoyed or uninterested, shout out to you. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow.
So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Please stay tuned, like this video if you liked it, and if you didn't, I'm sorry for wasting your time. I'm sorry, but no, please don't like hate me. Just stay tuned for the next vlog because it's gonna be better. So yeah, and if you're in the Disney College program and you're here in Cali, like, let me know, hit me up, because I need friends. I want adventure people to like go on an adventure with throughout the park and throughout California. Like, I want an adventure, please. So, yeah, thanks for watching again. I love you all already. Swag, peace out. Yeah, peace.